Hello everyone, my name is Kuldeep Singh Rathod and welcome in 𝐂𝐤𝐬𝐿 platform. Guys, lots of students are appeared in ISRO scientist examinations conducted on 26/10/25. There is two different notification, but exam happen in the same date. So one notification, then you can observe like mechanical, electronics, computer science vacancies are there. Then another notification like RAC, civil, electrical vacancies are there. So both examinations conducted on 26/10/25. So here is the latest update available for you on the official website of ISRO. Answer key for the written test held on 26/10/25. The link for raising the objections and like every details are provided here. So architecture, civil, electrical, RAC official cutoff is official answer key is available here. So you can click on this answer key and you can check. Already you have a question paper because the paper is in offline mode. So you can check A, B, C, D, E, E, which sections paper you get. Accordingly, the answer key is available. So you can check like part A, part B, whatever like your answer is there. So guys, those students who appeared in ISRO scientist examinations this year, definitely this is the golden opportunities. If you clear the written, then now you need to go for interview. So those students who attempted the scientist examinations, calculate your marks, how much marks you are getting, and mention in the comment section of this video. Definitely expected cutoff prediction we will do in another video. We will discuss after observing your marks, how much marks students are getting, and with discussing with the other students like how much marks students are getting. We will discuss rest. I will share the answer key in 𝐂𝐴𝐻_PW Telegram channel from where you can access. Rest we will meet in another video. Till then, goodbye. Take care.